Hey fam! Welcome back to IQ Mike Tools, your go-to spot for the best, craziest, and most useful AI tools on the internet. Today, we've got something super cool, especially if you're a parent, a teacher, a writer, or even just someone who loves creative tools. Imagine being able to create a fully illustrated, interactive children's book, with talking characters, animations, and quizzes, all in under 60 seconds. Sounds wild, right? Well, that's exactly what Kids Book AI do. And spoiler alert, it delivers. Big time. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how it works, and why this tool might just turn you into a best-selling children's author, overnight. Let's get into it.
In the next few minutes, I'll show you how anyone, yes, even if you've never written a book before, can create fun, interactive, and totally personalized children's books. In just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. This is your main dashboard. Think of it as your creative command center. At the top, you've got some handy buttons like Let's Create to start building a book, Manage Teams if you're working with others, and a few more tools like DFY Setup, White Label Access Bonuses, Tutorials, and Settings. Everything here is built to keep things smooth, simple, and stress-free. In the center, you'll see some helpful stats, like how many people have viewed your books, how many leads you've collected, all shown with clean, easy-to-read graphs. On the right, you'll get a quick snapshot of total AI books you've created, flipbooks, photo books, and even direct reader feedback, and just below that, your favorite and recently created books are all lined up and easy to access. All right, let's make our first book. Click on Create New Book and you'll see 4 options pop up. AI book, Create from Scratch, Flipbook, and Photo book. Let's go ahead and start with an AI book to see how fast and fun this can be. Let's create your first book step by step. Choose how you want to start on the book creation screen. You'll get a few options for how to begin your book. Description, just type in a story idea or prompt. PDF, upload an existing file if you already have one. URL, paste a web page link and let Kids Book AI pull the content for you. Let's keep it simple and go with description. Type something like Zippy Zoo Bus Adventures, a fun, catchy title idea. Customize your book settings, now we make it truly yours. Start by selecting a category, for example, a single story book or a learning book. Based on that, you'll choose a subcategory to guide the story structure. Then adjust your creative preferences. Writing style, choose from rhyming, storytelling, and more. Tone, decide whether it should be playful, educational, adventurous, etc. AI model. Use the default or pick from other advanced models like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, and more. You can also set language, English, Spanish, German, whatever suits your audience. Chapters, how many chapters you want. Words per chapter, how many words per chapter for bite-sized storytelling. Once all your settings are in place, hit generate. After waiting for a few seconds, your chapters will be generated. The AI will write the full story, chapter by chapter, based on your inputs. Not happy with a chapter? You can tweak it anytime. There's also a magic wand tool to enhance any section instantly, making it sound more creative or polished. This step gives you full control to shape your story right from the start. When you're happy with the content, click Save and Next at the top right. You'll see the book name auto-generated based on your story. Want to change it? You can just click an update. Right below, you'll find the list of chapters created from your inputs. On the right side of each chapter, you'll see your editor. This is where the magic happens. Here's what you can do. Choose font style, pick the font that best fits your story's vibe, whether it's playful, bold, or simple and clean. Text styling, format your content with heading sizes, subheadings, and paragraph text to create a clear structure. AI Text Assistant, your smart editor, click on AI Text or the magic wand icon to access the AI editor. It can help you rephrase content, make it longer or shorter, change the tone, simplify language, improve grammar, summarize, translate. This tool is great for non-writers or anyone short on time. Background tool, a simple and powerful way to customize your background. You can easily change your background by selecting from the following options. On color, choose a solid background color. When gradient, add a smooth color blend for a modern look. Image, upload, or pick an image to set as your background. Template. When selecting a template, you have 2 styles to choose from, static templates. These are still non-moving backgrounds. Ideal for a clean, simple appearance without any motion. Animated templates. These include motion or animated elements. Perfect for creating a lively, dynamic, and eye-catching look. Media tools. Add different types of media to make your book more engaging. Image generator. Create AI images based on your story. Stock images. Choose from over 20 million royalty-free options. Upload your own. Personalize your book with your images. Kids icons. Access 100+ fun icons designed for children's books. Link tool. Add clickable links inside your story. Video tool. Embed YouTube videos directly into the book. Perfect for turning a simple story into an interactive experience. Color options. Customize your text and background colors to match your theme or highlight specific parts of the story. You also have all the usual formatting tools you're already familiar with: bold, italics, underline, bullet points, etc. This editor gives you full creative control. Write, style, and enhance your story in just a few clicks. This is your complete editor. Now, let's make a book. Once you're happy with your edits, click Save Chapter before moving on. Design your book cover. Now let's give your book the attention it deserves with a stunning cover. You've got 3 easy options. Create with AI. Just describe the cover you want. The AI will design one for you instantly. Upload your own. Already have a custom cover? Great. Just upload it here. Use ready-made covers. Pick from a collection of pre-designed templates. Apply with a single click. Once you're happy with the cover, click Save and Next to move on. Now you have reached the final settings option. You're almost there. Just a few final touches to make your book ready to publish and share. Meta details optional, but powerful. Add a book meta banner. This is a small image that shows up when you share your book link on social media or websites. It helps your book look more professional, stand out in crowded feeds, get more clicks and reads, attract the right audience. Short description, a quick summary of your book's content or purpose. Reading mode options, choose how your readers will enjoy your book. Flip mode, great for laptops, gives a real book-like feel. Tablet mode, perfect for mobile or tablet reading, like a Kindle experience. Reader background, set the background that suits your story's mood. Solid color, gradient, custom background image. Live preview helps you see changes in real time. Talking section narration options. Bring your book to life by adding narration. You've got 2 choices, AI voice. Choose from 1,500 plus AI voices in multiple languages, ideal for global audiences.
Hey, my name is Christian. I'm an English voice from the United States.
Hi, I'm Aiden, your English voice from the US.
Clone your voice. Record and use your own voice to tell the story. Perfect for personal connection and branding. Now, just add a feedback form to your book in a few clicks. Choose your preferred autoresponder. Pick the list where you want to collect leads and select the exact page where the feedback form should pop up automatically. It's that easy to start capturing leads right from inside your book. You're just 1 click away. Hit Publish Book to take your story live. Congratulations! Your AI-powered interactive kids book is now live and ready to inspire the world. Once published, you'll land on a confirmation screen with all the tools to grow your reach. Unique book link, share it instantly on social media or send directly to your audience. Embed code, easily place your book on any website or blog. Visibility options, make your book public, private, or even password protected. Publish date and last updated info, track changes, and show freshness. QR code, instantly share your book offline. Just download and post it on flyers, posters, or social media. Now your AI book is ready to flip through. Check it out in read mode.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus run away. Hungry sharks, do 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 do. Hungry.
Zebra on the bus goes clip-clop. Stripes so neat from tail to top. Finds a seat near kangaroo, says,
Next, let's create a flipbook, a fun, animated version that flips pages just like a real book. Click Flipbook to begin the magic. Enter the name of the book and upload the PDF of your book. After that, click on Save and Next. Cover page, same as AI book. Choose from 3 easy options to set your cover. When you're ready, click Save and Next. Final settings. Just like your AI book, fill in the meta details to make your flipbook look polished and professional. Once you're done, click Publish or Save and Finish. Now your flipbook is ready to flip through. Check it out in read mode. Let's create a photo book, perfect for memories, moments, or visual storytelling. Book name. Give your photo book a title in the book name field. Upload photos. Upload multiple images from your PC or just drag and drop. Each image becomes a page of your photo book. Save and Next, cover page. Choose your cover the same way, AI, upload, or templates. Click Save and Next. Final settings, fill in meta details just like before. Click Save and Finish to publish your stunning photo book. Ready to preview? Let's check out how your photo book looks in read mode. Book library. Manage everything in one place. Go to your book library to take control. From the list view, you can download, share, duplicate, move to another workspace, delete if no longer needed, all with just a few clicks. Your entire collection, beautifully organized and easy to access. Let's explore the graphic editor. Bring your stories to life with visuals. Choose from 6,000 plus ready-made graphic templates. Pick any done-for-you template, name your design, and jump into the editor. Here you can edit text, replace images, tweak design elements to match your brand or story. Once you're happy, download as PNG JPEG, save graphic, or return to dashboard and use it later. Reader feedback, know what your audience thinks. This section shows all the feedback your readers leave on your books. You'll see reader email, feedback, rating, date, and delete. You can even export this data into a spreadsheet, perfect for analysis or keeping offline records. And yes, all leads will be sent straight to your connected autoresponder, helping you build a list while sharing value. Done for you section, 50 plus books ready to go. Short on time? We've got your back. Access 50 plus professionally designed, ready-made books across different niches. Just pick a book, customize a little, publish, done. Whether you're creating a kid's story, guide, or marketing book, there's something here for everyone. No stress, no writer's block, just results. Settings, full control in one place. Manage everything in your world from the settings dashboard. Manage workspace, manage clients, manage teams, white label settings, subscription info, integrations, tutorials, bonuses, support, just one click away, and book bundles. Everything is just a few taps away. Total control, simple setup. Let's dive deeper into 2 game changers, manage clients and white label branding. Manage clients, build your business effortlessly. Want to add a new client? Just type their name and email, hit a button, and boom, their login is sent straight to their inbox. Need to edit or delete someone? One click, done. Grow your agency, serve more people, and keep everything organized in minutes, not hours. White label, make it truly yours. Custom branding builds trust and authority, and we've made it easy. Replace our logo with your brand. Add your own footer branding and link. present Kids Book AI as your product, upload your logo, hit save, and you've got a fully white-labeled solution. Even better? You can create client accounts with their branding too. Total control, full freedom. Custom domain, professional to the core. Want your book previews to reflect your brand completely? Now you can display them on your own custom domain with full white label styling. It's sleek, professional, and trust building, just the way you want it.
Yeah, that's it. As you can see, Kids Book AI isn't just a fun tool, it's a game changer. Whether you want to entertain your kids, build an educational brand, or launch a side hustle writing children's books, this thing delivers. It's fast, it's fun, it's beginner-friendly, and honestly, it makes you feel like a creative genius, even if you've never written a story in your life. If you want to try Kids Book AI for yourself, I dropped the link in the description below. Check it out, play around with it, and let me know what you create. I'd love to see your book ideas. Also, if you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on the next insane AI tool that could change your life. Until next time, peace.